First we will understand some of the important key points in averages. First, do not write anything, listen to this carefully, sir. We will see how these key points will help us in problem solving. Do not judge anything before the start of problem solving. Have patience for some time, listen to all these key points. These key points will help you tremendously well in your problem solving. Now see here, I am sure that you know the definition of average. Average is nothing but add all the terms in the given quantities, sum of the quantities, and divide it by total number of terms whatever you have, sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. This is the basic definition of averages. Suppose for example, if there are n terms in the given series, sum of all the n terms divided by number of terms n. This is the basic definition of average. Suppose for example, I have a series 1 3 5 7 9, right? I have a series 1 3 5 7 9. Just now I told you average is nothing but sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Sum is nothing but if I add all these 5 terminologies, I will get the sum as 25 divided by number of quantities is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. My average for this given series is 5. Now, instead of finding the average like this, think logically, sir. Can I say like this? Can I say like this? The lowest term in the given series is 1. The lowest term in the given series is 1. The highest term in the given series is 9. And I got the average as 5. Can I say that this average 5, it lies between lowest and highest value? Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Average always lies between. Average always lies between lowest and highest values. Average always lies between lowest and highest values in any given series. Average will always lie between lowest and highest values in any given series. You take any series whatever you like, average will definitely lie between lowest and highest value in that given series. That means average will always be greater than the lowest value and average will always be lesser than the highest value. That is my second key point. My third key point, I will again write the same series 1 3 5 7 9, right? 1 3 5 7 9. Can I say that 1 3 5 7 9, it is in arithmetic progression, right? It is in arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Common difference between the consecutive terms should be same. The common difference should be same. It is same in all the consecutive terms. So it is in arithmetic progression. Instead of adding all the 5 terms and then dividing by the number of terms 5, what I can do is whenever the given series is in arithmetic progression, average is nothing but first term plus last term divided by 2. Very, very important point. Average in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term. First term plus last term divided by 2. Check it out if you want. First term is 1. Last term is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is how much? It is 5. That is what I got the average. Provided you arrange that series in ascending order or descending order. And it is also equal to second term plus second last term by 2. 3 plus 7 is 10. Again 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. Or it is also equal to third term plus third last term by 2. But in this given series, third term and third last term, it happens to be the middle value. So very, very important understanding is average in arithmetic progression. It is always equal to first term plus last term by 2. It is also equal to the middle value, right? It is also equal to the middle value. Please remember, it is only in arithmetic progression, provided you have arranged that arithmetic progression series in ascending order or descending order. Average in arithmetic progression is always equal to middle value, or it is first term plus last term by 2. I believe my third point is very, very clear. All these key points we will keep using in our problems, sir. That is the reason I am spending a lot of time in explaining this, although these are very, very easy to understand. Next point. Point number 4. Listen carefully, sir. Your key point number 4. Suppose, for example, I will take an odd number series 1 3 5 7 9 etc. till n terms. 1 3 5 7 9 etc. till n terms. Suppose think logically. I am taking an odd number series. If I add the first two terms, what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is nothing but 2 square. If I add the first three terms, 1 plus 3 plus 5, it is nothing but 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. If I add the first four terms, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, it is 16. 16 is nothing but 4 square. Can I say like this, sir? Think logically again. Can I say like this? If any odd number series you take, if I add the first two terms, sum of first two terms is 2 square. Sum of first three odd terms is 3 square. Sum of first four odd terms is 4 square. Similarly, in general, sum of first n odd terms, it is always equal to n square, right? It is always equal to n square. But we are not interested in sum. We are interested in average. Average of first n odd terms. Average of first n odd terms. Average is nothing but sum divided by total number of terms. Sum is nothing but n square. Totally there are n terms. N square divided by n is how much? It is nothing but n. Very, very important point. Average of first n odd terms is nothing but n. Average of first n odd terms is nothing but n. Similarly, if I take an even number series, suppose for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. till n terms, same logic I will implement, sir. If I add the first two terms, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 can be written as 2 square plus 2. If I add the first three terms, 2 plus 4 plus 6, it is nothing but 12. 12 can be written as 3 square plus 3. Generalize it right now. Can I say that sum of first two odd numbers is 2 square plus 2. Even numbers. Sum of first three even numbers is 3 square plus 3. In general, sum of first n even numbers. Sum of first n even numbers is, it is n square plus n, right? Sum of first n even numbers is n square plus n. If I take n common factor, it is n into n plus 1. But I am interested in average. Average of first n even terms is, average of first n even terms is sum divided by total number of terms. Sum is n into n plus 1 divided by totally n terms. N will cancel. So you are left with n plus 1. Very, very important key point once again. Average of first n even terms is nothing but it is n plus 1. Similarly, average of first n odd terms is nothing but it is n. I believe that the first 10 minutes of our class, whatever we have discussed, the concepts or the key points with respect to averages for our problem solving is very, very clear for my students. And take my words, I will go very, very slow in today's class for the simple reason that idea is to make you understand the problems rather than just telling whatever I know it. I am more interested in making you people understand the problems rather than probably telling whatever I only know it. Idea clear, sir? Average of first n odd terms is n, average of first n even terms is n plus 1, and it is also understood that average always lies between lowest and highest values in any given series, and a beautiful understanding says that average in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term by 2, or second term plus second last term by 2, or third term plus third last term by 2, or in general it is nothing but the middle value, right? It is nothing but the middle value. I believe that it is very, very clear for you people. Do not miss any problem of today's class, and believe me, with today's class I am going to take tomorrow's or whatever the next class on averages. That means if you miss out today's class, you are actually equivalently missing out the next class also. That is what I basically mean. Both are interrelated, sir. Do not miss out this today's class. And if you people have already watched this topic in our online portal way long before we have taken this topic, you can still watch today because I am going to add so many new questions which were not there in earlier classes of averages. Chalo sir, let us start with our problems. Now please see the first problem. First problem is based on the key points whatever we have discussed till now. Very easy question. We will solve this question. First problem based on key points what we have discussed. Find the average for the following prime numbers from 1 to 20. I need to find the average of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now what are the prime numbers from 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. First thing that you need to understand is, are they in arithmetic progression? Definitely they are not in arithmetic progression, because the common difference between the consecutive terms is not same. So if they are not in arithmetic progression, one of the only way of solving or finding the average is add all the terms in the given series. If I add all these terms, I will get the sum as 77 divided by total number of terms. Totally 8 terms are there. Average for my first question, A question is, it is 77 by 8. Very easy questions to start with, sir. Right? 77 divided by 8. Now listen carefully, sir. Second question, find the average of first 10 odd numbers. This is the reason I discussed this beautiful key point. Average of first n odd numbers is n. Average of first 10 odd numbers is 10. You don't even have to write the first 10 odd numbers. Add all those things and then divide by 10. Not required. If you know the key point, you can solve it so easily. It is not the only key points whatever I have written for averages. As I proceed with my class, I will teach you more and more beautiful key points. Just hold on for some time. Third question is average of first 10 even numbers. Average of first n even numbers is n plus 1. First 10 even numbers is 10 plus 1. Answer for the third question is 11. Right answer for the third question is 11. Fourth question, average for first 12 multiples of 7. Now first 12 multiples of 7 average I need to find. First multiple of 7 is 7 into 1. Second multiple is 7 into 2. Third multiple is 7 into 3. Fourth multiple is 7 into 4. 12th multiple is 7 into 12. It is 84. Now, I don't know how to find the average. That means what I am trying to say here is, I did not write my entire series here. I did not complete the entire series. But still I can find the average so easily. For the only simple reason that 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, etc. till 84. All these are nothing but in arithmetic progression. Common difference is same. Average in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term divided by 2. Answer for this question is 7 plus 84 divided by 2. Answer is 91 by 2, which is 45.5. Right answer is 91 by 2, which is 45.5. Similarly, same logic please apply for your fifth question. Your fifth question is 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. till 31. This is also in arithmetic progression. Average is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. It is 1 plus 31 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Answer for this question is 16. Answer for this fifth question is 16. I believe that it is very clear for you people. Idea clear, sir? Next. Now see here, sir. There is another question which I need to discuss here in the first question. 92, 94, 88, 89, 91, 90, 86, 90. Now see here, sir. Let me write it. 92, 94. 92, 94. What is the series? 88, 89. 92, 94. 88, 18, 89. 91, 90. 91, 90. 86, 90. This is the given series. Now listen carefully, sir. Can I say that first thing is this given series is not in arithmetic progression. Even if I arrange in ascending order or descending order, it will still not be in arithmetic progression. So only way of finding average is add all the terms in the given series divided by totally there are 8 terms divided by 8. But if I add all these terms in the given series, it will take a lot of time because these are slightly bigger numbers to add. Right? These are slightly bigger numbers to add. So what I will do is, I will observe all these numbers 92, 94, 88, 89, 91, 90, 86, 90. All these numbers, they are closer to which number? They are closer to 100. or I can also say that they are closer to 90. You take any number whatever you like, all these numbers are closer to 90. That means I am assuming the average as 90. This is my assumed average, or this is the tentative average. I don't know whether 90 is correct or wrong, but I am just assuming and making my problem very simpler. Now if I assume the average as 90, first number is 92. 92 is how much more than 90? 92 is 2 more than 90. Write down 2. Second number is 94. It is 4 more than 90. Write down 4. Next is 88. It is 2 less than 90. It is minus 2. 89 is 1 less than 90. It is minus 1. 91 is 1 more than 90. It is plus 1. 90 is 0 more than 90. It is 0. 86 is 4 less than 90. It is minus 4. 90 is 0 more than 90. It is 0. Whole thing divided by how many terms? 8 terms. If I simplify right now, can I say that if I simplify, 2 minus 2 cancels, 4 minus 4 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Everything in numerator is cancelled. That means numerator is 0. 0 divided by 8 is 0. So your answer is 90 plus 0. It is 90. Answer for this question is average is 90. Right? Average is 90. But a smart student sitting in the class might get a doubt. Sir, you assumed the average initially as 90, and because you assumed it as 90, probably you are getting the average as 90. Is my statement right? That is not the right statement, sir. You don't assume the average as 90 initially. You take whatever you like. I will write the series once again. 92, 94, 88, 89, 91, 90, 86, 90. Whatever the value you want, please assume it. Don't assume the average initially to be 90. Whatever you want. Suppose I assume it as 88. Right? Suppose I assume it as 88. Take the difference of all the numbers from 88. Keep on writing in the numerator. As simple as that. If I take 92 is 4 more. 94 is 6 more, 88 is 0 more, 89 is 1 more, 91 is nothing but 3 more, 90 is nothing but 2 more, and 86 is nothing but 2 less, 90 is nothing but 2 more, divided by 8, minus 2 plus 2 cancels, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. What is 16 divided by 8? 16 divided by 8 is 2. What is 88 plus 2? 90. You will end up with the same answer irrespective of the average you assume initially. Simple way of understanding, sir. I believe that the idea is very clear for my students.